Hello and welcome to this 10-minute evening yoga session. Let's center our awareness and begin in seated position. We're going to start with 3 deep inhalation and 3 deep exhalation. Let's begin. Now, gently bring both arms up overhead. Inhale. As you exhale, palms down. Again, both arms up overhead. Inhale. And exhale completely. One more time. Inhale, arms up overhead. And exhale, palms down. Now lie ourselves on the mat. Let's bend both knees, pointing up to the ceiling. Hands next to your torso or next to your body. Now we're going to start with our right leg. Lift both legs up. Turn your right knee, drawing a big circle on the right side of the mat, slowly and gently. Give your hip a good stretch and relax the muscle. Now opposite side, turning your left knee, drawing a big circle on your left side of the mat. Coming back to the center. Now bring both legs up. Both toes pointing up to the ceiling. Now point your toes towards the head and ceiling. Flip your both feet up and down. Give your ankle a good exercise. And now turn both feet. Make a circle outwards and inwards. Slowly and gently. Arms shoulder height. Bring your left leg down. We're going to draw a circle with our right leg on the right side of the mat. Now you can straighten your leg or bend your knee using right leg, drawing a big circle on the right side of the mat. Draw circle slowly, move gently. Come back to the center and switch your left leg, drawing a big circle with your left leg. You can bend your knee if you want to, and your knee to the chest. Rock your body to the left and to the right. And now straighten your left leg. Bend your right leg. Arm shoulder height. We're going to bring our right knee towards the left side of the mat. And your gaze, look at your right finger. Give yourself a good twist. And slowly come back center. We switch our leg. Straighten right leg, bend our left knee up. Bring our left knee towards the right side of the mat. Gaze, look at your left fingers. Continue your deep inhalation and your deep exhalation. Slowly come back center. Both hands next to your body. And bend both knees, pointing up to the ceiling. Now, slowly, we're going to bring both arms up overhead. Bring our palms up to touch our knees. exhale down, and inhale, palms up, touching the knees, and exhale, palms down again. Exhale down, bring your shoulder up a little bit, and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down again, and exhale down. Slowly come back to the center. Now we're going to straighten both legs. Bring your right leg up and catch your right toe with your fingers. You can bend your knee. You can even catch your shin with both hands. And then gently bend your knee. Hug your right leg close to your chest. And breathe. And slowly release your right leg down. Switch to your left leg up. Bring both hands holding your left shin or your left thigh. Even your left fingers, you can catch your left toe. Go with your own option and slowly bend your left knee. Hug your left leg towards your chest. Slowly release your leg. Now bring both knees pointing up to the ceiling. Bend and bring your right foot place on your left thigh. Figure 4. Now use your right hand, press your right thigh. Give another deeper stretch. And now hug your left knee towards your chest. Now we're going to do the opposite side. Release both legs. As place your left foot on your right thigh. Using your left hand, press your left thigh. Give another deeper stretch. And then slowly hug your right knee closer to your chest with both hands. Be gentle to yourself and slowly release and bring both knees, hug your knees towards your chest. Now swing yourself up and sit upright and cross your leg. Now we're going to turn our head with eyes closed from the right slowly all the way to the left, making a big circle. Go round, slow and gently. With the opposite side now, from the left slowly, turning all the way to the right. Make a big circle. With your deep inhalation and your deep exhalation. Bringing ourselves back to the mat now. Inhale, both palms up. And exhale, palm, heart, center, gently. Again, inhale, palms up, all the way up. And exhale slowly, palm, heart, center. Again, inhale up. And exhale, palm, heart, center. Namaste.